Okay, guys, I'm supposed to be on live with Kabir here, and I don't know how is this Kabir there or not there. I don't know. Alright, who's this? Yeah, hi Kabir, you can hear me now?
Hi Akshay bhai, I can hear you now. It's all clear now.
Let me turn the camera properly. Yeah, now tell me,
Okay.
Kabir, how are you?
Oh, I'm good. आपका कैमरा थोड़ा tilt हो गया है. I think it's supposed to be this side क्योंकि मेरा
I have put it in this way. You want me to be in this
yeah
mode?
yeah
I'll be
because
fine in this. Okay.
Instagram का story is default portrait mode.
अच्छा तुम लोगों को पता है यार सब. I am not that tech savvy.
It's so good to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you आपने time निकाला आने के लिए even when you
Yeah.
were outside. So like I told you, it's gonna go with some general questions. Then it's gonna go with
Okay.
your everything about you, and then it's gonna go with some health questions. And in the end,
Okay.
we'll go for fitness and nutrition questions. And अगर end में you have some time, we can take audience questions. क्योंकि मैंने 3 questions जो important थे वो तो मैंने लिख लिए हैं to ask you. But the others, if you're free, we can go for it.
Okay. Let's start immediately. Yeah.
Perfect.
Tell me.
ठीक है. So I'm Kabir Grover, and I am an ISSA certified nutritionist and trainer. I am also doing a sports diploma on sports nutrition. अभी मेरा चल रहा है साथ में. And I got my CPL from Miami and in India, but I haven't got a job yet. वो आपको पता है कैसे चल रहा है सीन यहाँ पे. So exactly वो शुरू से pilots का ऐसा ही चलता है. Yeah.
नहीं
So
initial problem होगी. Being a
हाँ
CPL
जी.
थोड़ा सा issue आता है. Once you get into the ATPL part हो जाएगा वो तो.
Yeah. ठीक है. Yeah. So पहले how's your family in these troubled times? मतलब lockdown के इसमें.
Family is good. There's no problem. Everybody is because my family generally is all full of professionals. So we're all pretty busy. So my mom is still going because she's at a very senior post in the government. She's an assistant commissioner in customs. So she has
Oh,
a lot
wow.
of people under her. So she's still continuously working. My wife is a Supreme Court
Okay.
lawyer, senior lawyer. So again, she's
Wow.
also on the cases, but of course the courts are all closed.
Yeah.
मेरे केस में I'm generally working 24 hours a day because
Yeah,
my
I know you're
online
very
clients,
busy.
my
हाँ जी.
that way, yeah.
हाँ
Yeah.
जी हाँ जी हाँ जी. Yeah. So what about your locality? वहाँ पे cases हैं कि it's all cool?
Even if they're there, very minimal are there, but then you can't help it, yeah. Let's say if somebody comes to know that there are 100 cases around him, he still can't do much.
Exactly. That's true.
Yeah.
मेरे आसपास भी है. It's like over 130 cases. It's all containment zone now. Yeah. So I was seeing your YouTube का We Are Stupid channel जो है, and you've started We Are Strong series.
Yeah, we are strong
So
as a membership.
okay, so मेरे काफी सारे लोग हैं जो मेरे से पूछ रहे थे how do you go about it? How do you join? So should I just ask them to contact you directly?
No, nothing. It's a auto join thing. You just press the join button next to the subscribe button on the
Okay.
We Are Stupid channel. You just make the payment, which is very minimal, which I've kept, and that's
Okay.
it. You're in. Yeah.
So they'll get all your personal videos जो होते हैं इसके अंदर for your training,
Oh
right?
no. This is firstly Be a Strong membership is unlike any membership. There's no such membership in the country right now on YouTube. Okay. There is no personal videos here because that doesn't matter. Because
Okay.
I am not here to charge you anything or give you nothing. A lot of people are doing that. I don't know
Yeah,
what
I
will
can
somebody
see.
do of a stupid emoji and all those things.
Yeah.
Okay? So that is
Yeah.
not my purpose. The We Are Strong members are gonna get. These are basically those people who are pretty serious about their training and their lifestyle and everything. So they're gonna get some personalized workouts. They're gonna get some excellent videos in terms of personal development, finance. Okay, which will be shot by
Wow.
me for these people only. Okay, there'll be a lot of dissection of supplements in front of them, so they can
हाँ
contact
जी.
me personally. There'll be special live chat sessions for only members. Their career counseling and everything is gonna be there.
Perfect. So I'll just put it in my story also. आपका जो भी आप share करें अभी मेरे साथ, and I also want to join. Like I want to go for it. So I'll join it as soon as possible as well. Because आपका channel, I was telling everyone what's different about you than other people is that everything you do is research based. It's like no bullshit. तो जो भी आप लाते हैं, it's all science related. So I was telling them हाँ कि मतलब channels, how are you different than everyone else? Because that's what makes everyone love you. क्योंकि आप
It's not about being different. Being different, you can be wrong and be different also. But my aim has always been that I'll not bluff to anybody. Okay, if something works by research, something works by science and evidence, it works. If it doesn't work and it's proven it doesn't work, then whatever thing is in front of me, I don't care.
Yeah, exactly.
Like I've exposed a lot of supplements in the market,
I've
which
seen
are
it.
simply
Yeah.
absolute useless supplements, and they're not proven by me. They're proven world over in hundreds of studies.
Yeah.
Now, if people are not ready to accept it, it's their problem. But people who have been watching my videos and they have rechecked and everything, verified, they found it. Yes, these things don't work.
Exactly. So I love how you know keep debunking everything. मतलब जो भी कोई गलत बोल रहा है पकड़ लो उसको कि क्या बोल रहा है तो चुप हो जा. That's one amazing thing about you, and that's what's getting your channel to grow. That's what's getting everyone to love you.
Thank you.
So now it's about some personal questions. How was your training at NDA?
NDA training is ideally one of the toughest training at that level in the world. It's quite challenging. But it's fun. So NDA is a place where you get when you get into NDA you cry. Okay, and when you leave NDA you cry. So NDA is one place which is which basically makes a man out of you. Because they're very young guys who get into NDA, and whatever we are undergoing at that level at that particular age, people outside cannot even imagine in their dreams. Even now I cannot explain what we went through.
Yeah. So it still applies to your life, right? Like you wake up early and
it does apply. Of course, things do dilute, but there are certain things which we learned in NDA, certain concepts we learned in NDA which will remain with us through life. And we have all our postmates and everybody, so the friendship and everything remains very, very strong.
Yeah, that must be one thing because you're staying with them all the time, right? So puri friendship was strong.
They all posted here and there. Now we meet after so many years. Like some days back, only one of my postmates got posted to Delhi.
Wow.
I think he's in Kumaon. I'm forgetting his regiment. So it's been almost 15 years that I'm meeting him now. I'll be meeting him very soon. So we have a very strong camaraderie. Yeah. It's sort of brotherhood which you develop in the defense forces.
That is really good to hear. ये बाहर कहीं मिलता नहीं है. So
बहुत rare.
हाँ, exactly. What do you think about? I mean, obviously आपका और मुश्किल होगा. CPL training. So you go through CPL training first, and then you go for advanced flight training, right?
No. For it's not the CPL. CPL is what you do for flying when you're in the civil.
Yeah.
Okay. But in defense forces, it's a completely different form of training. In defense forces, you from NDA you go into Air Force Academy. Okay. Or there are directly people who come from CDS and then they go to Air Force Academy. You have your basic flying training. In my time, the plane used to be HPT, which used to be a two-seater aircraft where you do all the aerobatics and all in the aircraft.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, then thereafter they put you in different streams, chopper, fighters or transports, whatever you choose or whatever depending on the merit and a lot of things. Okay, whatever the requirement is, they put you in whatever stream. So I chose basically transports. I got transports, and thereafter I flew Dorniers, then I flew Avros, and thereafter I was more into sports. The Air Force team called me because I was captain of Air Force bodybuilding team also at one time. So I was doing that continuously here and there. So that's how it is.
Okay. Yeah, I also heard your video Josh Talks में आपने बात करा था. And you were talking about how when you used to have your flight training, you used to, flight khatam hui and you go for your bodybuilding workouts.
Basically our aircrafts are not, we don't fly a sort of a commercial airline. Air Force flying is very different. So we have paradrops, we have weapons carrying, bombs, missiles. Sometimes we have casualty evacuations, VIP, a lot of things are there. But I generally, because if I am flying with my co-pilot and the navigator is there, so we are generally 3 or 4 people maximum in the aircraft. So aircraft is generally, so we do carry our kits and everything depending. We may have a night halt or there may be weather issue coming in at particular place. So, but I used to carry my gym kit. The moment I used to have a bigger break, I used to land, immediately go change, do a workout back. Flying.
That is really motivating. लोग नहीं करते. They're like, मैं थक गया flight से. मेरे friends भी थे काफी in Miami. Go for flying and they come back. They're like, अब gym नहीं हो पाएगा.
That is really motivating. Time के बाद होता है, you do get tired, but that time used to be a lot of josh.
Yeah. So आपका high G training भी होता था, right? When you have to pull a lot of Gs?
Not exactly, not a lot of Gs because most of my high G training used to be in the HPT and that was not a lot of high G. High G is more for fighter flying, which happens later when you go for, when the fighter dissection happens, basically trifurcation which happens. So for fighter when they go to Bidar, which is there, which is a flying station, Bidar mein they train for high Gs and everything in Kiran.
अच्छा, okay. ठीक है. So during your bodybuilding times, when you were training for flying and also going for your workouts, आपने बताया your trainer asked you to go for a competition, and your first competition you got Mr. Baroda. That was amazing. How was the preparation वहाँ पे?
I've been a sportsman throughout from the very young age. My mom was a national award winner 1982-83 in athletics.
Okay.
She was a long jumper. So I was into athletics from a very young age. But of course, I started competitive somewhere in 11th and 12th. By the time I finished almost 2 years of sports training, I got into NDA.
Okay.
So that key of having being fit and getting workouts regularly was always there in me. So even in Air Force Academy, along with flying training, I used to do gymming, whatever equipments were there. Thereafter, I was posted. The first training you happens in Bangalore in Yelahanka for transport pilots. Even there, I had a bike, so I used to go and in the city because I needed a better gym then. So I used to go to the city and I used to work out there. Then I got first posted to Baroda. That was my first posting.
Yeah.
But the gym there was pretty far. It was almost 30 kilometers from my place. But I still used to go regularly despite of flying. Okay, and there, because I had a very good physique in terms of the natural build I had from so many years of weight training and everything. So the guys told me, sir, why don't you take part in district? I actually had no idea how to do bodybuilding and all. That was a new thing for me. I just asked them, you tell me. So they told me posing and all. They're very good guys. And then I went on the first time I won gold in Mr. Baroda. That was the heavyweight category. And thereafter, once I won, the Air Force team came to know that there is something like this. So then they called me. But generally officers don't go. So being an officer, it's a very rare thing for somebody to go into bodybuilding.
Yeah.
And so when I went, there was one or more officer, but they were not playing at a very high level. They were just doing for hobby. But eventually I started winning and I became the first officer in Air Force history to reach services level, then national level, win medal at every level, win state competition.
Wow.
That's how it is.
That's wonderful. That's really good to hear. Yeah. So, how's life as the General Secretary of IBFF?
Nothing very great. It's not a. You have to take a lot of responsibility. You should be ready to do it. Look, there are a lot of bodybuilding organizations out there. You need to have an ultimate aim that what you want. Now, my problem is that I can't even bluff and lie or do anything wrong over there also. Exactly. So when I planned my first competition, whatever way we could gather the funds and everything, the sponsor, but we could do it in one of the finest ways. We did it in a good 5-star hotel in Lalit, which was actually a very, so that was the first time ever. But it went very well. A lot of VIPs and all were there. We invited them. It went very well, but thereafter this Corona thing started, and also this year ka to ho hi nahi paya. Hopefully we'll plan something. Yeah.
Perfect. ठीक है. Now coming on to health and fitness, everyone जो सब पूछना चाहते थे काफी टाइम से. So it's like health and fitness is a booming concept India में. मतलब बहुत जल्दी बढ़ रहा है, बढ़ गया है बहुत ज़्यादा. But the thing is, people want quick results. किसी को धीरे धीरे नहीं जाना, step by step. कट करना है तो जल्दी कट करना है, बल्क करना है तो जल्दी बल्क करना है. And they don't even have the right trainers. मतलब मैंने जिम ज्वाइन किया था 4th 5th में, जब मेरे को फैट लूज करना था. तो जाते ही मेरे को जो पहला बंदा मिला जो ट्रेनर था, he's like, आप ये गोली ले लो, आपको ये गोली दूंगा एंड इससे आपको पानी निकलता रहेगा, आपको नमक नहीं खाना. मैंने कहा मैं अपनी मॉम को ले गया. मैंने कहा क्या बता रहे हैं, सुनो इनसे, ये गोली ले लूं. तो शी आस्क्ड हिम व्हाट इट इज. ही इज लाइक, नाम नहीं पता पर मैं दूंगा, उससे आपका फैट लूज हो जाएगा. मैंने कहा नाम आपको कैसे नहीं पता. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस, कि मतलब क्या, कैसे रोके इनको?
You can't stop. Stupidity and idiotic things can't be stopped. These people will always remain. Even after 100 years, you'll see such idiots out there. But the problem here is, though the industry is growing, there are some great educated people out there. Even seniors and youngsters are coming in who are very well read, which is very good. But there are still very few of them.
Yeah.
If I don't have exact ratio, but if I tell you right now, even still 90% of the so-called fitness industry in this country is absolute stupid.
Very true.
They're all self-proclaimed gurus. They're all self-proclaimed coaches. Okay? They're all self-proclaimed trainers. And unfortunately, in fact, in the morning only, I just had a talk with Dr. Dhananjay More. So we were having a chat about, exposing certain things in fitness. So even he had the same thing about the fitness industry, that this is not a regulated industry. The government doesn't regulate it. Okay, so because when there is no regulation, then anybody can be anybody.
कोई भी कुछ भी बोलता रहता है आके.
Yeah. So that's why you have YouTube में guys giving you, cure for thyroid in 4 steps. Specs हटा दूंगा एक ही वीडियो में. All these things which are legally very, you can straight away put a case and these things can be banned immediately.
Exactly.
Right. So there are fake doctors claiming themselves to be doctor, claiming them to medicine specialist. These are very dangerous things. And the problem is that at least more than half of this country are those people who follow these Nirmal Baba and Radhema type characters. Now
Exactly.
these guys are so stupid from here that they can't even comprehend what are you doing, who's that person. At least understand that what is he giving you.
Yeah.
अच्छा, then the problem here is that these same people are not ready to accept that. देखो हमारे यहाँ पे ना गाली देना बहुत आसान है किसी को. If somebody is trying to give you logic, science, evidence, उसकी मत सुनो, वो पागल है.
सही
तो
बात है,
तभी हमारे
यही
पे
तो.
बाबा नुस्खे, रात रात में पतला कर दूंगा, रात रात में बीमारी ठीक कर दूंगा, कैंसर एक स्कैम है, डॉक्टर स्कैम है, ये स्कैम है. Because I question lot of these people and I always ask them one thing. All these people who are telling सारे डॉक्टर्स चोर हैं, ये बहुत आसान है बोलना.
Yeah.
I tell them just give me in writing that next time you fall sick or anybody in your family falls sick, you will not go to a doctor.
That is true.
Then I'll believe you. So the problem in this stupid country is कि जिसको गाली देंगे जब कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगी तो उसी के पास भागेंगे.
सही बात है.
और plus there is this new stupid concept of everything which you cannot justify by science or logic or evidence, उसको बोल दो ये आयुर्वेदा के बेस पे. तो बेचारी आयुर्वेदा भी बदनाम करो और साइंस तो वैसे नहीं पता.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how it is.
Very true, very true. They keep challenging doctors. I saw your video also. उस पे आप बात कर रहे थे. If someone tells you something, challenge them with your name. You know, like tell them,
Yeah.
talk to Mr. Akshay Chopra. I saw your video. That was really good. So that's what I tell people as well. मैं उनको भेजता रहता हूँ वो video. You know, just to take a look and you take your name to challenge the person.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You can do that. You can do it. Yeah.
Yeah. So आप मेरे को body recomposition के बारे में आप क्या सोचते हैं? You know, losing body fat.
I haven't read too much about body recomposition because that is just one fund. I think it was by Lane Norton who gave the concept of body recomposition. I'm not very sure. I haven't really undergone this thing, and my problem is I do not really comment till the time I really do research.
I know. I've seen
outline
that.
होता है. तो अभी जैसे if you ask me about intermittent fasting, I may be knowing a lot, yeah, but I have still to do a lot of research on that topic.
Yeah, it's
so
a vast
I just I think intermittent fasting and keto are the next two main topics I'll be taking in. Okay, and I'm also finishing. I just finished the biggest series in Indian history on fitness careers. That's on my We Are Strong membership already there.
Okay, wow.
So the members sent me a lot of good questions. So now I am literally doubling that series. There are at least 20 more videos coming in on fitness careers. All the videos. So I'm working on that also.
Okay. That's amazing. Yeah. And when you were bodybuilding, this is again a personal question. जब आप bodybuilding में थे, do you take a week off for your CNS का resetting, central nervous system को, to give it a rest? Nothing like that. No. Do you suggest it?
Your central nervous system is not that fatigued. I'll tell you one more thing. Look, firstly, all these guys who learn terminologies in fitness, the problem is. That's why I tell that one of the toughest profession to be in is fitness coaching and fitness profession. Because you need to have really deep knowledge about both. Yeah. When you talk about central nervous system fatigue, it does exist. But it doesn't happen like this the way, guys tell. If a guy is having some amount of soreness, today they've learned this terminology, overtraining. So they're like, sir, मैं overtraining तो नहीं कर ली. The problem is that because they haven't seen that extreme of real workouts. And if central nervous system exhaustion really existed and it happened so fast, then all your defense forces guys will be always nervous system exhausted.
Exactly.
Right? So it doesn't happen. Your body is very strong. It gets adapt to any amount of stress. It's a chronic problem where you're not recovering. It's like you're working overdoing volume in 7 days a week, not eating properly. Then these problems may happen. But of course, you have a proper periodized workout and diet plan, then there's no issue.
ठीक है. So coming to your workouts, आपका मैंने जिम विकी पे मैंने आपका इंटरव्यू देखा था, and you were talking about your shoulder injury.
Yeah.
Right. So how did that happen, and what did you do to recover? क्योंकि काफी लोग इसमें भी पूछ रहे हैं, हमसे लाइव में भी पूछ रहे हैं.
Okay, I did exactly what I always tell people. I remember I was in Mumbai. I think Thane. I was there in Thane when I was practicing, and I had these 50 kg dumbbells, 100-pound dumbbells each, and I was doing shoulder presses, and there was a large noise which came, फटने की. ऐसे आवाज आई थी. So it was like I found the shoulder tore. वो पता लग गया था. Then I got it checked. I got an MRI done in the naval hospital there only, and they found it to be a tear. Okay. And thankfully, then I came to Delhi to base hospital where I had a very good, one of the finest surgeons in an Indian army, a very nice guy, and Brigadier Agarwal. He was the one who said, okay, you can compete right now if you want to, but it's going to be problematic. But I still did, and I won a gold medal in next state with a broken shoulder. Yeah, but then by that time I had a lot of inflammation. So when he operated it, the operation was almost 3.5 hours. And thereafter he said, and this is very, this is where your maturity and the doctor's advice comes into play. You need to understand that it's not that I cannot work out with that thing right now. I still do.
Yeah.
But if I don't avoid the movements which are further aggravating that thing, जो अभी heal तो हो चुका है, so eventually in the older age you may have massive amount of arthritis issue coming.
Yeah.
That's why you need to listen to your doctor, because he knows what is the later stage. So then I took a decision to get back off from the competitive part of it.
Okay. Yeah, क्योंकि लोग सुनते नहीं हैं डॉक्टर्स के, they're like हमें सब कुछ पता है.
खुद भी नहीं पढ़ते ना, इसलिए सब कुछ पता है.
Exactly. Yeah. So what was your recovery time? कितने months, कितने days आपको लगे recovery में?
The recovery takes time, because उसके बाद जब मैंने actually I think I competed even more seriously the next year when I got recovered. ठीक है, and I won continuous 3 major trophies after that.
Whoa.
In that 1 year I had because that year my form was the best immediately after surgery. The next year, so I remember I went to Baroda. They did not let me compete. They said, sir, you do guest posing, and I did guest posing. Then I went to Gujarat, Mr. Gujarat. They again said, sir, you will do guest posing because otherwise you will win. Okay, so they cleared me for nationals, and I and Vipin Peter, if you remember this bodybuilder from Navy, a very famous guy. So Vipin Peter and me were the one who did guest posing in this time in Mr. Gujarat. I went for nationals. Then I came in top 5 in my first this thing. I got a trophy in Mr. India.
Wow.
But thereafter I had to back off because of 2 reasons. Of course, my injury is one, but the second is, there was some form of a sensible maturity which I need to get in myself. Is that firstly, I didn't want to be the guy at the top level. That was not bodybuilding. That was pure medicines and hormones.
Yeah.
Second is that despite of winning and despite of continuously winning, nobody was giving you anything. Being an officer, I could still afford and there was no problem, but I could understand the men who are Asian champions now, who are world champions, that they're struggling with basic amount of funding for their family.
Hanji,
and that's why I made this video also very some time back. The bodybuilding is ideally not a career. Bodybuilding is a passion.
I saw that, yeah. So when I'm making a client's workouts, I add dynamic stretching before the workouts and static stretching post workouts. So, to avoid injury. So do you suggest adding anything else? Priming a muscle maybe?
Nothing. Priming muscle automatically happens. Look, dynamic warm-up is basically a concept wherein you get ready for the particular workout. Right. Now, bodybuilding is not a workout wherein you need to really plan a dynamic warm-up. A basic dynamic warm-up will work for bodybuilding, because bodybuilding may, after a dynamic warm-up, the moment you go on to your normal exercises, the first couple of sets will automatically warm you up.
Yeah. Okay. The light sets, you just priming the muscle.
That's form of priming a muscle. Uske baad, then eventually the static stretching will help finish. That's it.
Okay. So that was our workout part, aapke baare mein, and now let's come to the nutrition part. This is my favorite. What has your diet been like, shuru se?
Shuru se, it always varied here, but I always avoided junk. I was a guy who was always hungry. When I was a kid, I was a chubby kid and I was always hungry. So at that particular time, I used to eat anything. Youngsters say kuch nahi tha. But then when I got into sports and all, it became more serious. I am a guy who has seen a very big transition in the Indian fitness industry. I am from a time when there used to be hardly anything called fitness. कोई hardly courses होते थे. I'm talking about the 90s or late 90s and early 2000s. Then कोई books hardly होती थी, मतलब 1-2 books होती थी. Research किसी को नहीं पता था, internet इतना वो नहीं था. So we used to refer those muscle magazines and the Arnold की books. It was all wrong concept, all mixed up wrong things. So because of that, eventually what happened was that I started learning eventually, because I did a lot of practical things. I had more experience of practical in terms of variation than most people will ever have. So that was one aspect. So from competitive athletics to proper military training to competitive bodybuilding, and in between lot of sports. I was into swimming and track and field and a lot of other things. So apart from this, then I started studying the theory part, which was the missing part. Okay, so then I started understanding that firstly, when you study nutrition, you're also studying nutrition, I think. You need to understand, study, learn, don't apply immediately. Because almost every so-called book which you read in terms of courses, India mein, they're all copy-pasted from Western concepts.
I've seen that,
so if ACSM or NASM or ISA designs a book, you will see somebody offering the same course, same material.
Yeah.
Now,
For
it is
lower
not a
price.
wrong thing. Yeah,
Hanji.
it is not a wrong thing, but nutrition is very different when it comes to so-called sports nutrition. There's a difference in having nutrition for health, for longevity. This nutrition is different for different people with different diseases, so nutrition has to be varied.
Yeah.
Then the main problem comes in nutrition, which is generally not taught, which you'll eventually realize, is your cultural aspects, your allergen and sensitivities, okay, your taste buds, a lot of things which come into play. And
Hanji.
if you don't give a client food according to his liking, his taste buds, he'll never be
They
able
won't
to
have
follow
it.
it.
Exactly. Yeah. ठीक है.
So that's
So,
why you should study nutrition in a very broad manner. Don't one book is not enough for nutrition.
Hanji, exactly. So I keep going, I keep researching also because you are an idol. Like I follow you. First, I look at whatever you post. I see your videos on YouTube, Instagram, and then I go do my own research before I make a video. And uske baad, you know, I keep studying, keep getting more diplomas and certificates. So मेरे को ये सब अच्छा लगता है पढ़ना इसके बारे में. Besides the pilot thing, yeah. So मैंने आपका cheat meals पे मैंने video देखा था. And personally, what's your favorite cheat meal? Like, what's your one go-to cheat meal? You know?
अगर मैं सच बताऊं ना कबीर, I really don't do a cheat meal. मतलब I don't do a cheat meal कि मुझे आज cheat meal करनी है. ठीक है. Also, over the years, what has happened is because the physical activity has थोड़ा सा gone down, I'm spending more time in sitting and researching. I also don't eat a lot of food.
Okay.
Okay. When you are देखो, the word cheat meals and all these things keep on occurring in mind of people who have nothing to think of.
Exactly.
अच्छा, आज मैं cheat meal करूंगा, आज मैं उस पे इंस्टा पे डालूंगा, आज ऐसे सेल्फी लेनी है. I really don't have time for this. I have my not just hands, entire body full right now. So if someday my wife says, okay, I'm ordering something from outside, I'll have something. ऐसे होता है.
ठीक है. So flexible dieting.
For me, I have my favorite food is my home food, which is very tasty, and especially when my wife cooks and mom works. So मैं उनके घर का जब खाता हूँ तो I make it the way I want it. तो मुझे cheat meal की ऐसी कोई वो नहीं होती है, feeling नहीं होती है.
ठीक है. That's the best thing to do. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I tell her, just have your home food, enjoy your food.
हाँ जी. What's your favorite protein source? मतलब I just turned vegetarian. So उसके अंदर it's like what I go for is paneer, soya, and edamame and soya milk and all of that. It's mostly soy products. Do you have something that you can compare to a non-vegetarian? Jitna non-veg plus everything is the same, right?
What I always tell my clients is that let's say you are a vegetarian. A lot of people get confused unnecessarily कि vegetarian होगा तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. देखो एक common sense आती है कि if you're a vegetarian, then if you're not eating chicken, ठीक है, or meat, then you are eating more dal and rajma and chole. या जो बंदा chicken और वो खा रहा है वो दाल राजमा छोले कम खा रहा है.
Yeah.
So you have ample protein in the vegetarian meals. The problem is people don't take it that way.
Yeah.
Okay, Indian meal is pretty much balanced. We don't eat the meal the way it is supposed to be had.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's true.
So all the pulses, all the legumes, all the milk products, all the soy products, plus supplements, plus your sprouts and here and there things, veggies, everything will give you protein. Protein doesn't come from one source.
Very true. Yeah, especially vegetarians, you need to vary to get all the amino acids.
You do get, यार. कभी भी अगर incomplete amino acids भी है तो भी तो my question is, let's say you have dal. Was there any time you only had dal?
Yeah, there is.
Or you only had rice. So dal chawal combine होते हैं तो the missing amino acids get into. Yeah, that's how it is.
Yeah. So you need to combine all the sources, right? ठीक है.
Yes.
So now it comes to the topic आप पहले बता रहे थे, prolonged fasting. What do you think about it? To be in a deficit, taking a day off, day fast कर लिया आपने या तो फिर intermittent fasting. Whatever suits that person. What do you think about fasting?
पता क्या होता है, इसलिए मैंने बताया था ना, कभी people don't study nutrition the way it is supposed to be. We study nutrition like a कुएं का मेंढक. We study books on nutrition. Now let me tell you about intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is just a fancy word of terming something which Indians have been doing since centuries. How?
Yeah. Fast.
I'm not talking about the way we eat in villages. Here, cities. Cities concept is very different. We compare the food the way our villagers eat it. Now, ideally, if you go to any good village, how do people get up in the morning? There is no concept of breakfast anywhere in the world. Okay? It's only a British concept which was put on us. That's why I made this video and wrote a book also. Breakfast is not the most important meal, right? So people used to get up, used to go to their fields, lot of physical activity. Then they used to have a major brunch, somewhere at 11, 12 o'clock. Okay, big meal. Then they used to again go back to fields, maybe take a nap or do some other work. come back in the evening, somewhere around 7 o'clock or so, they used to have a big dinner.
Yeah.
This is only 2 meals a day. But if you see, if 7 o'clock I had my dinner, what is the next meal I'm having the next day? At
11, 12.
Isn't that intermittent
Exactly.
fasting?
It is.
So Americans
it is.
brand it well. They know how to brand things.
That's very
right?
true.
But again, you do not supposed to copy these things blindly, because intermittent fasting is very good, but not for everybody.
That's true. Yeah.
Diabetics are not supposed to do intermittent fasting in most cases.
Exactly.
Sportsmen are not supposed to do intermittent fasting. Okay. So you need to understand the concept as a whole and think अपने पे क्या apply और किस पे क्या करना.
ठीक है. And this was a knowledge for everyone. Everyone needs to hear this. क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया आजकल intermittent fasting हर जगह.
नहीं, ये भी 6 महीने में कुछ और आ जाएगा नया. ये 6 महीने के ट्रेंड्स होते हैं सारे. कीटो आया, फिर अभी ये आया, फिर कुछ और आएगा, अभी ट्रेंड्स होते हैं.
So I see you talking about supplements also. So except whey protein, what is your favorite supplement? Whey protein hata ke. Everyone loves whey.
Now I am having green super greens, so I do take that.
Oh, okay. Superfoods, greens. ठीक है. Yeah. Oh, I love that.
I don't take a multivitamin. I take a super greens.
उसमें हाँ जी सभी आ जाते हैं, उसमें विटामिन सारे आ जाते हैं. After Corona ends, Abhi, people are gonna go back to the gym, and there are gonna be beginners also. So what's that one tip on nutrition and workouts that you wanna give to those people? दोनों के लिए, you know, beginners and people going back.
Yeah. Firstly, Corona is not gonna end. So it is just we are gonna go out because there's no option left. Number one. Second is till the time the vaccine comes into play. Okay. And the second thing is that there's nothing, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा है. I did क्या होता है ना, I just did a live on another channel also, and there were 3 of experts, one of me, and there were 2 more, and we all had the same opinion that it is just pure panic. We are taking it as Corona. Of course, a lot of things are affected, but you take it as a sort of a personal emergency. If घर में किसी की डेथ हो जाती है या कोई इंजरी हो जाती है, एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, तो ये समझ लो कि वो ब्रेक आ गया. Now the question is, lot of youngsters are especially too worried. मेरी मसल लॉस हो गया, मेरा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Go back, start again, go slow, keep progressing. Within a month, you will be back to normal.
हाँ जी, that's right.
Yeah, that's...
Thank you for answering that.
Panic की जरूरत नहीं. और
हाँ जी.
जरूरत ही नहीं.
हाँ जी. ठीक है. So that's about it for now. जो आपके बारे में हमें सब कुछ जानना था. बहुत सारे questions आए थे. And thank you so much. Thank you for coming in. It was great having you. Thank you.
Take care. All the best.
Thank you. Take care. Thank you.